We started this business more for passion than for everything.
Small businesses are truly the backbone of our Canadian economy. They provide employment, drive innovation and growth, and are vital to our local communities.
The importance of the food and beverage sector in our region cannot be understated. We are proud to support entrepreneurs looking to start or expand an existing food and beverage business in southwestern Ontario.
The Foodpreneur Advantage program helps plant seeds for emerging and innovative entrepreneurs to establish themselves in the marketplace and helps them to scale and grow their operations into the future. Locally, through this program, we have benefited so many entrepreneurs to get started in this sector through a variety of learning opportunities, mentorship programs, and online training.
This program, we've partnered with our fellow small business centers in Chatham, Sarnia, Windsor, St. Thomas, and London. We're proud to support foodpreneurs in this area. We were able to pool our knowledge, our resources to support food and beverage businesses in southwestern Ontario.
Small Business Center and the Foodpreneur Advantage program have helped me so much by providing mentorship as well as funding and knowledge on how to get into grocery stores and small boutique stores. This is stuff I would never just be able to know by myself, so this was incredibly helpful.
I'm connected with some really key people, just like the CRI, the fan shop program, so I was able to capitalize on that.
We feel very nice when we have this kind of support working together with us.
The roundtable sessions gave us a lot of exposures. We had different professionals from regulatory arms to marketing to success stories shared by small businesses that have grown, and that really helped.
It was fantastic. Specifically, of course, getting the funding is incredible, and we've been able to put those funds towards some equipment that we've been needing. But specifically, all of the workshops that we did, there were the gamut of topics that we covered in the different experts that we were able to connect with. It covered such a wide scope of things that people starting a food business would need to know.
So the Small Business Center has been amazing through the Foodpreneur program. It has given us the ability to connect with experts in the food industry, with other foodpreneur entrepreneurs that are going through the same trials and tribulations that we are. Some are a little bit ahead, so great mentoring.
I've never been through a business mentorship program before, so I really didn't know what to expect, but I was blown away by the quality of the mentors that we had, the involvement that the Foodpreneur program had in my own business, the support, the connections. I highly recommend it to anyone who's getting started or is at that next level to scale up their business. You will meet people who will help you from this stage and beyond, and I'm extremely grateful for this opportunity.
We are proud of the hundreds of entrepreneurs that we support looking to start a food and beverage business in the area through our Startup Series. We are especially proud of the 25 to 30 clients annually that participate in our Scale Up program to help them expand and grow their food and beverage business.
The idea of supporting a new venture through small business centers in our area sparked Libro's interest because we're always looking for new ways and innovative ways to support local businesses. When someone says local businesses, we feel passionate about that at Libro.
I would 100% recommend the Foodpreneur Advantage program to anybody with a small or startup food business. I truly found it so incredibly helpful. The mentorship sessions and the weekly info sessions were incredible, and I'm still using that knowledge every day.